to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your own merch. So you'll get to teespring.com, you'll do like start designing. It's even loading or what? Yeah, you start designing and then he'll open you the page for your that you'll design. T-shirts, hoodies, whatever you want. He will write you choose product. Okay. I already have a hoodie, so I am gonna put the links down below. I have pillows, socks. I have. Let's do. Uh, let's do a t-shirt. It'll give you those choices: classic tee, comfort, premium, and those are around the world. This is US only. So let's do a premium. No, sell. Press sell. Add text. First, you will add your colors that you will like. This one is good, 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 and good. And this one is good. Okay, that's fine. Let's press on it. And I'm gonna write Epic Gamer. You find this t-shirt and the hoodies link down below. If you wanna take one of them, let's do that and do that. They will tell you, great, don't get out of this box that you wrote in here. Look, there's red line, don't get out from. Let's add maybe another text in back. Let's write, yeah, Epic Game. I'm gonna write Epic. Or no, let's keep it from the front. It'll do as it is, like that. But before you sell it, and anything, you must check that the color will be like cool. This one will be not good, that good, maybe, but I'm gonna leave it. Okay, preview, so you can see how the color, how to look like. It gets you like a t-shirt. Now we'll go to this side of the page, left side. They'll say set your price. And he'll put you a price that he just put it. And he will write you the profit of it. Let's keep it like that. Maybe we'll do 20 like that. Like that. Okay? Then you'll press continue. You'll say if you want to select like another thing. Kids and babies, select style. We need to edit this one. We had like, I don't know what colors people like. We will put, and let's do this one also. Put some more colors. Okay. You may leave it if you like the profit. Save. I'm done. Like that, I'm done. I have already already. I'm gonna put the link down below. Then you press continue. I will show you what you have did. Okay, you write epic. Like, for me, I'm gonna write epic gamer shirts description for the epic view for my epic viewers. Here, select the image I see the front URL. Copy that. And this is store epic gamer. Publish this thing. You'll do that and that and that. You'll like saving products. If you want to take one, make sure to subscribe, guys. Like this video, and you find the merch down in the description. Do you want? Okay, yes. If you say yes, you must try to record in here. So I'm gonna not put it on Amazon right now. Whatever it will be. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you all in the next time. Before I leave, we will say shipping cost starts from $5 the item and $1.5 for each additional appear. If you press like you want this one, okay? Whatever, you have lots of them. If you want this one, maybe select maybe. Buy it now. You want one? Okay. Add to cart. Please check out. And yeah, that's it. If you want only one, proceed to check out and you'll find the checkout like that. You'll see the street, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you all in the next time. Goodbye.